my cruise control set light started flashing when I tried to turn my cruise control on, and it would never set. So eventually it wouldn't come on at all, and then finally my horn stopped working a couple months later. So to fix it, it was the clock spring's bad. And the way I could tell was I could hold the horn down and spin the steering wheel, and in one spot the horn would work and the cruise control light would come on and off, but nowhere else. So in order to change the clock spring to fix the cruise control issue, you turn the steering wheel upside down. There is a little tab in this hole. I don't know if you can see it, but all you need to do is take a flathead screwdriver, push down on it really hard, and that allows this to pop off, the airbag to pop off. Make sure you unhook your battery first. Then what you have to do is take your pick and pull up on these little connectors here, the little black pieces, to unhook these and unplug them. Remove this ground wire. Unplug this connection here. Take your steering wheel off. Then on the clamshell, there are two screws, one here and one here, and then one on the other side. That's a Phillips screwdriver. Take that off. And once you get that out, here's my old one. You will be looking at this. There are two screws. One in the hole here, Phillips screw. One in the hole here, Phillips screw. And you take this out, you unscrew those two, and then you unclip this plastic clip here on top. Right there. That lets it pull out of the assembly. And then the two stalks are still attached to the side. And there are two little white tabs on top of each stalk. You squeeze together and pull them straight out. One on the left, and the other one on the right. And that will allow you to do it. So all it takes is a flathead, a Phillips, a pick of some sort, and a 19mm to take your steering wheel off. And make sure when you put your steering wheel back on, the line, let's see if you can see it, is on this center of your column, lines up with the dot on your steering wheel, which when I was doing it at night to fix this, my flashlight went dead and I couldn't see, and I put it back on crooked. That's why I have to take it apart again now and straighten it out. But it's fairly simple procedure, and the new clock spring is like $18 on eBay.